With your car sales marketplace done for you system, what is the biggest difference between you and other offers out there from other companies? Why should car sales professionals choose you, Kyle?
It's a great question. Number one, we have a handshake with Meta. We're also Meta verified. We meet with the reps all the time. We follow Meta's TOS terms of service perfectly so that your Facebook account is always safe and healthy and maximizing the algorithm to get you as many leads as possible. But we're the only company that does that. In fact, we're the only company that's Meta verified in this space. Don't believe me? Ask any of our competitors. They're going to dance around the issue. We don't. We knew we weren't smarter than Facebook. We knew we couldn't outsmart them. So we just did a handshake with them and partnered up with them. And that's what none of our competitors have done because they all, and I really mean this, we are the only human done for you service. Our competitors out there offer janky Chrome extensions and downloadable bots. Every ounce of that goes against the TOS terms of service with your Facebook account. So if you want to put your account at a massive risk of getting shadow banned or worse, then cheap out. But if you want the results and you want the professional done for you service from 23 years of car salesman experience, I'm not even sure most of these guys are even 23 years old that own these other janky companies. This is a full system designed by car guys for car guys. There's a reason why. We are the number one solution for car salesmen in North America. It's fully done for you. I'm going to give you the other big difference between hiring us and hiring any of the competitors. And I'm going to use an example. So you hire a cleaning company. Okay? This is what happens if you hire us. You hire a cleaning company. Okay? Pretend we're the cleaning company. We come in while you're at work and we do everything perfectly. And by the time you get home, everything is spotless. You don't have to think. It smells great. Everything is done the way it was supposed to be done. And you're like, yeah, that's why I hired these guys. Awesome. Our competitors, you hire them to clean your house. Let's say we're cleaning services. They're going to show up with a vacuum, a mop, and everything. They're going to give it to you. And they're going to say, here, we brought you the tools. Now you do it. Because that's all that happens when you hire these janky Chrome extensions and bots that go against Facebook's terms of service. Why would you hire somebody to do something when they're just going to drop off the vacuum and the mop at your house and you still have to clean the whole thing? What the hell are you paying for? That's what happens when you hire our competitors. And so, well, not just that, but your account is also massively at risk. And that's a big deal to me. We have thousands of clients and not one account has ever been put at risk. Why? Because we knew we weren't smarter than Facebook. That's why we partnered up. That's why we got Meta verified. That's why we meet with the reps all the time for best practices in today's Facebook marketplace because it's ever changing. And so while most companies are spending all of their time trying to figure out how to trick Facebook and how to manipulate it and hide what they're doing with the janky bots and Chrome extensions, we don't have to hide it all. And that's why you choose our company, because we are the premium option. We are 100% done for you. And when you sign up with us, we make it so your job is to answer the leads and sell cars. Everything else is done for you, including weekly updates. The sold come down, new arrivals get posted up, price changes get made. Everything is done for you. It's an absolute no-brainer, and it all costs less than a half deal. The return on your investment is massive. You sell an extra 5, 6 to 10 cars a month because you're answering 10 leads every morning before you even get to work. Click below and our team will reach right out to you. Or just hop on maximizemymedia.com. You can check out right on the website. A rep will call you right away and get you onboarded in less than 10 minutes. It's that fast and frictionless. There's no contracts because we know our product will speak for itself and keep you coming back. We don't want to lock you in. We want to keep you excited. We want you to want more. Month to month, cancel anytime, 72 hours before your next payment. If you don't like the service, don't stay on. But I can tell you right now, thousands of car salesmen across North America deal with us and our 50-person team because we're the pros.